This is the story of health. No, it's not just about eating your vegetables and growing taller. It's about how the world's people came together to help us all live long and healthy lives, making amazing discoveries like new medicines and vaccines, guiding us to grow up healthy, strong, and happy, keeping us safe from nasty diseases, painful ones, and deadly ones, and some horrible ones you've never heard of because they were completely wiped out.
The end of smallpox, the magnificent chapter in international collaboration.
This long-awaited malaria vaccine is a breakthrough for science.
Has finally been declared free of wild poliovirus.
It was really a story of human perseverance, innovation, commitment, bringing communities together towards one unified goal.
This is a story about all of us because we all played a role. And if we can keep working together, we'll make more discoveries, have more victories over diseases, and help even more people be healthy and happy in the future.